Quick Taskbar Overview. The Quick Taskbar is located in the top left corner above the working space. This bar gathers the most commonly used functions you may need during your translation work in one convenient area. First, we have the Save and the Refresh button. Included in the Quick Taskbar is also the Actions menu, which we will take a closer look at later. This menu provides various actions that can be simultaneously done to several segments. You can also toggle the use of formatting marks depending on your preference. Next to the Formatting button is the Find and Replace function. Lastly, the bar features an Undo button, as well as one to display and manage the change history of your document.